Good morning, dear students. Today, based on the topic fields and fences, there will be some solved questions and some unsolved questions. First of all, we will begin with unsolved questions. Now, here it is a fill up question, and here you will write the full statements along with the missing word, value, or any unit you have to put. Now, the first question, fencing around the field means dash of the field. You know that it might be a rectangular field or a square field. For a rectangular field or square field, we have two things to calculate, area and perimeter. So whatever will be the correct answer, you have to put in this blank. Number 2, the area of a square and rectangular calculated in dash. You know that we put units beside it, not any particular units, but what generally we put, you have to write that. Number 3, if length is 22 centimeter, breadth is 19 centimeter, then the perimeter is. See that there may be calculation sums, so that calculation will show in the rough, and that particular value you will put over here in the blank. So the length and breadth is given, then you have to find out the perimeter. The value for which area and perimeter of a square have same numerical value is dash unit. We all know that area and perimeter cannot be equal because they have different units, but the numerical value, that number value, can be equal. So you need to write that number value for which area and perimeter of a square have same numerical value. That particular value is required. Now coming to solved part. Suppose you get a sum where the area of a rectangle is given and its length or breadth. In this case, we are saying that the length is given. You need to find the breadth, and after finding the breadth, you need to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Now you will begin your solution. First you will write down area, then you will write down the length, and then use the formula that area divided by length. Let us begin. If the area of a rectangle is 40 square centimeter and its length be 8 centimeter, find its breadth. Now the length and area are given, you need to find out the breadth. Then after finding out, also find the perimeter of the rectangle. You need to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Now for the solution part, area of the rectangle is 40 square centimeter. Length of the rectangle is 8 centimeter. So breadth of the rectangle will be calculated by the formula area divided by length. That gives you 40 divided by 8, that means 5 centimeter. So you have already calculated the breadth. Now we move to the next board. Here we need to calculate the perimeter. So perimeter of the rectangle, it will be given by 2 into sum of length and breadth. This is the formula. Now you will write 2 into 8 plus 5, since 8 was length and 5 was breadth. The unit is centimeter. So 2 into 13 centimeter, that means 26 centimeter. So breadth of the rectangle is 5 centimeter and perimeter of the rectangle is 26 centimeter. You have got both the values. At the end only you have to write them. Now as you can see, for this sum, this is a combined figure. So here you need to find the perimeter. As I have already discussed, again we will do one such type of sum so that our concept becomes clear. Now as you can see, this rectangular part, this side is given 40. So we can easily write this part also as 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. And as usual, this part will be 14 centimeter. Now if you take a look at this 14 centimeter means the diameter of the semicircle. But we need to calculate the radius of the semicircle to find out the circumference of the semicircle. Now you have to begin your solution like this. Diameter of the semicircle is 14 centimeter. Now You find out the radius of the semicircle, that is diameter divided by 2, meaning 14 divided by 2, that is 7 centimeter. So the radius of the semicircle is 7 centimeter. Now coming to the circumference of the semicircle. How you can calculate? The formula half into 2 pi r. As you know, the formula is half into 2 pi r. You can calculate using that particular formula. So you see that this 2 in the half and the 2 in the 2 pi r will get cancelled out. I have written down the value of pi also. Pi equals to 22 by 7. Now we put the value of pi and the radius of the semicircle, that is 7. See that it is easily cancelled off, and we get finally 22 centimeter as the circumference of the semicircle. Now we need to add the 3 sides of the rectangular part. As you can see that this side will not be added. So the 3 sides of the rectangular part means 40 plus 14 plus 40, and then the circumference of the circular part. So 40 plus 14 plus 40, and to that we have added the circumference of the circular part. The bracket term becomes 94. To it we will add 22 more. Finally we will get 116 centimeter. So perimeter of the given figure is 116 centimeter. So in this manner you will do these sums which have combined figures. Thank you, students.